What's up, Blockheads? Just real quick, super short little video, but Miss Blockhead and I have been talking, and we're basically talking about receiving so many messages that we can't get to all of them, and we'd love to be able to answer a lot of y'all's questions. So this is something that I've wanted to do for a while. Again, I did a Q&A a while back, but I'd really like to do another Q&A with you guys. So I'm putting in a request here for you guys to ask whatever questions that you would like to ask, both myself and Miss Blockhead, and we're going to do a dual vlog, and we're going to go through and we're going to answer those questions for you guys. You guys see how much this thing shakes around? That's crazy. How shaky that thing is. I guess we'll see how the image stabilization is with it. So here's the thing about the questions, though. I want you guys to go through the questions after people have, you know, commented them, and I want you to vote on what your favorite questions are. So I'm gonna say that the top 10 questions that get the most likes, that get the most upvotes, those are the questions we're gonna choose, you know. So maybe we'll do a top 10 depending on how the voting and stuff like that goes. Maybe we won't go with that, but I'd just like to see what you guys want to have answered the most, and we'll basically sort it out like that. So if you guys have questions that you want to ask either myself or Ms. Block, post them up in the comments down below, and we will take those questions and we will make a Q&A video. Post them up down below. Comment now. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Till next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Deuces. Oh, a red light. Lame. I like doing that. That huh before you say word. To me, it makes it funny. Like, dumb. Wendy's. God, I'm dumb. Alright. Green light. Come on, green light. It's hot. Come on. Let me do my rap zoom outro. Go time. Alright, later guys.